Yerp, what's up with y'all boys, man? Today I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on how to do a little tire rotation. This is like just a general way of doing it. It applies to most cars, but this is more specific for the Kia because I tried looking online before I did my own, and I just couldn't find anybody doing it for this car. Like I looked on the forums and everything like that, and people just, I don't know, it's kind of difficult like when going through when I did it. It's just, you'll see why, but it's just a pain. But anyways, let's just get right into it. So first thing, you want to loosen up all your lug nuts on all your tires first. Not all the way, just enough to where when you get in the air, you're not fighting the lug to try to loosen it up. So, you know, just like a little quarter turn, and that'll be it. But then, after you do that, you're gonna come down and you'll see a pinch weld right behind your front tire, right here. You're gonna jack your car up on that, and then you'll come over right here to the front of your tire here, and you'll start seeing this thick metal frame here. You follow that down and you'll see a nice flat part back here. Now after you jack your car up, you can put your jack stand on here and then lift it to where your tire's off the ground, and then let the stand off, and then your car in the front right side will be in the air. Continue that onto the driver's side or passenger side, whatever side you start on, and do the same thing, and then your whole front car will be in the air. That's the easy part. Now, to get the back side of the car, on any normal car, you'd be able to, you know, jack your car up and put it on a stand and you'd be good. But for the Kia, I couldn't find a frame to put this on that I felt comfortable with. I know on the all-wheel drive version, which I do have, you have the rear diff you could put it on. I just didn't feel comfortable doing it that way, so I did it a different way. But if you have a front-wheel drive version of this car, I don't think you're gonna have that, so you're gonna have to do it my way. It's my way or the highway, bro. You feel me? So what I did was, let's say the whole front of my car is up, right? And I'm doing my rotation. I'm gonna take, my bad y'all, mom came outside so I had to help her out. But anyways, like I was saying, let's imagine the front is up and you're trying to do the rear side. Before you jack up that side, have your jack in place, take one of your front wheels off. Whichever one you do, this one, front right, is gonna go to the back left. So for demonstration purposes, say, I'll take my driver's side off, bring my wheel over here and have it ready. Boom, set it right there, boom. Then you jack up this side, get this in the air, you hurry up and take this wheel off, leave it over there, get your wheel from the front, put it there, tighten it up, drop it back down, torque it. For the Kia K5, it's torqued to 85, that's what I did. And then boom, now your back's on, you can go put the back one on the front, vice versa, whatever, and then do that for the other side. Get your jack on the other side, take that tire off, bring it over there, have it ready, jack the car up, and then put the tire on, or take it off first, then put the front tire on there, drop it, boom. That gives you the least amount of downtime having your car floating in the air only on the jack. Because everyone says people do not swear by freaking just using the jack to have the car up. But that gives you the least amount of time having the air, least amount of risk. Other than that, it should be good. Then, you know, take your car out for a little bit, give it a little drive, After like 50 miles or so, you're gonna come back and you're gonna torque it again just to make sure nothing came loose. And that's it. You'll be good to go. That's your tire rotation all done. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, all that stuff. Share for sure. If you know anybody with a Kia, I know they have this problem if they like doing their own stuff. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one.